Hey everybody, how are you doing today? So do me a favor before we get started. I need for you to hit this like button. If you're not a subscriber, I need for you to hit the subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you will not miss an episode. Also, I need for you to click the link below. And when you get into the link, scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll see the word petitions. Click on the petitions and sign it. It'll take 2 minutes of your time. Be greatly appreciated. So, what we're going to talk about today is crypto, and I'm going to be really brief. So, what's in the media is about this spot Bitcoin ETF being approved. However, people are looking, people are never satisfied. Some people are never satisfied. So now they're looking for this Ethereum ETF to be approved, right? So, basically, how it works is whatever has the attention of the news causes the currency to increase. So, Bitcoin had the attention of the news. So, everybody was in anticipation. Well, not everybody, some people were waiting to see if this would be approved or not. Some people were getting excited about it. As a result, more people bought into Bitcoin, waiting for the arrival of the ETF. So Bitcoin went up. However, since then, the news has died down and Bitcoin has also went down a little bit. So it was originally at 45,000, 46,000. Now it is around 43,000, right? So, Bitcoin, it ebbs and flows. It goes down and up and down and up. But the general consensus is that it's still going up. From the original point, some people saw Bitcoin when it was $30. So imagine being in Bitcoin when it was $30 and then being in it now when it's 43,000. So even though it does go down, the general consensus is that it's going up, if you see what I mean. But since the news has died down, Bitcoin has gone down, and people are now looking over at Ethereum. So Ethereum is up 14.4%. Bitcoin has been up 165% this year. Um, so with this Bitcoin ETF, their hope is to attract new investors and to increase awareness. So, were you aware that cryptocurrency has been around for 15 years? 15 years, that's a long time. And some people were in it the whole time. Some people were in it from the beginning. That is a long time. So, BlackRock that is one of the companies that has their own ETF, and that is called iShares Bitcoin Trust, abbreviation IBIT. But BlackRock is one of the heavy hitters in this whole agenda to create ETFs out of these cryptocurrencies. So Ethereum is up, Bitcoin is down a little bit. Um, as I said before, an increase in attention from the news increases the price. So they're waiting for the Ethereum ETF now. Bitcoin ETF has been approved. Now they're waiting to see if Ethereum ETF will be approved. And it is looking optimistic. So BlackRock, they filed back in November. They filed for the Ethereum ETF also. So BlackRock does have the highest approval rate for their filings. So it is looking optimistic that there may possibly be an Ethereum ETF coming. So the price rises according to the attention from the news, but also the anticipation of whether or not an ETF will be coming or not. So Bitcoin ETF is here. Now the anticipation is building for the Ethereum ETF. Hence, we see this increase in Ethereum. For people who are holders of Ethereum, there is an increase, meaning making more money, making more money with Ethereum as it rises based on the anticipation of Ethereum being the next ETF that may possibly be available. Like I said, BlackRock, they filed back in November. Most of the attention went to Bitcoin, but they were working on Ethereum also. So Ethereum didn't get as much attention, but they were working on Ethereum behind the scenes also. So that is a little bit of what is going on in the crypto space. They are looking to see if there will be an Ethereum ETF, and they are expecting to make gains from holding Ethereum. Already it is increasing, it's on the rise by 14.4%. And then Bitcoin has gone down a little bit. So, do you have Bitcoin? Just out of curiosity, do you have Bitcoin? And if so, how much are you bullish on Bitcoin or are you bearish on Bitcoin? Which strategy are you taking? Or are you staying away from it? So, as you know, this is not financial advice, just for educational purposes only. But you might be aware that 2024 is the year that millionaires will be created from cryptocurrency. So, it's your choice if you're going to be in it or not. And of course, nothing is a guarantee. So, there is risk involved. So, it just depends on if you're willing to take that risk or not. So, just out of curiosity, are you bullish or are you bearish? Either way, you will be fine, even if you're taking that bearish route where you still don't really trust crypto. It'll just take a longer time to get there as opposed to somebody who's going all in, right? So you still want to be careful with crypto, right? But are you in it? That's the question. Are you in it at all? So, do you have Bitcoin? And what about Ethereum? Do you have it or do you choose not to have it? So, Ethereum will be rising, and it is rising already. It's already rising, and people have turned their heads to look at Ethereum now. And the anticipation is whether or not the Ethereum ETF is going to be approved. So, what do you say? Are you in for the ride for this crypto or are you staying away from it? Are you taking a risk or you're not taking a risk? Which one is it? Let me know in the comments. What are you doing when it comes to crypto? It's still called a speculative asset, but it's been around for 15 years. Can you believe that? That is a long time. And like I said before, some people have been in this from the beginning. So, all right, let me know. Let me know what you're doing with this whole crypto thing. Before you leave, I need for you to do me a favor. I need for you to hit this like button. If you're not a subscriber, I need for you to hit the subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you won't miss the episode. Also, I need for you to click the link. There's a link that I have pinned. I need for you to click that link, go all the way to the bottom of that page, and sign that petition. All right, thank you. Thank you for watching. On your way out, hit that like button. Have a good night.